Ukrainian drone operators work smart to often track supply trucks, as these will often drive to high-value position or equipment to drop off supplies. As this Russian Kamaz truck was being stalked, it led the Ukrainian drone to a R-330Zh Zhitels electronic warfare system, meant to track and jam communication and GPS signals. As the system causes problems for Ukraine, it isn't bulletproof or active all the time, giving Ukraine a chance to take it out. As ironically sending HIMARS rocket that used GPS to hit with precision, hitting the electronic warfare system well, taking it out, making at least the 13th Zhitel damaged or destroyed in the conflict, limiting Russia's capability to jam Ukraine's surveillance and communication, destroying another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.